Solidarity is the word that guides us on the journey of life, calling us to unity, compassion, and empathy. It is the bond that connects us, the force that transforms lives, and the wealth that we share. To be solidary is to act with respect and dignity, reaching out to others with love and kindness. Every gesture of solidarity matters and creates a positive impact, lighting up someone's path and inspiring a wave of generosity. May solidarity be our compass, the seed that blossoms in our hearts, and the word that echoes in our lives. May we be alchemists of hope, agents of transformation, and united by the power of empathy.